Hello friends. Today we will see the simple shape transition. Welcome to my channel AB. Go to new composition. Name it anything you want. And my size is 1920 1080. Let's begin with the background. And if it is out of comp, go to transform and fit to comp. Now go to shape and draw a box. Now make it to the center, and also make sure that the anchor point is in the center of the shape. And choose your own color. OK, now press S on the shape layer and turn off the link and select the keyframe to 0. Move 1 second and set to 100. Now turn on the link and move to a sec and make the size 30. Now go to another 1 second and set 1200. OK, now select all the keyframes and press F9, and then go to Graph Editor, select all the points, move to left. And we got this smooth transition. Now duplicate this shape layer and move slightly. Again, duplicate the layer and place your image down below and make it alpha matte and move the layer a little bit. We got nice animation here. Now duplicate all layers and move like this. And you can change the color also again. Then replace the image. Hope you like this video, thank you.